Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are first time here, my name is Sergey. I am a freediving instructor trainer, and on this channel I'm sharing with all of you guys everything what I know about freediving. It is a freediving training tips, freediving theory, and from time to time I do freediving product reviews. And again, today is going to be a video about freediving product. What we're going to talk about? It's going to be our new float from the company To Be Free. It is a company from Ukraine. The owner of this company, Ukrainian, one of the best, or maybe the best Ukrainian freediver, Alexander Bubenchikov, and today is going to be a review of his freediving float. So I got this freediving float recently. Why I decided to buy it? Because, like, again, currently we are expanding a little bit our freediving school. We're becoming a little bit more busy. We're really happy about that. We have a few more instructors, and we was looking which freediving floats we need to buy. And I heard before about this freediving float from this company. I heard a few nice reviews, and actually I already ordered this freediving float, but then I think the same day or the next day, like really close after the date when I ordered this freediving float, I read on a Facebook from one freediver that she's using this freediving float and that she's really not happy because it's deflating. And I was like, it's going to be so unlucky if it's true and if this freediving float is really deflated. So I was hoping that it is not. Okay guys, this is the upper part, To Be Freedive buoy. Here you have a zipper. What I do like about this configuration, like normally we have a zipper in the middle, and then when you inflate the float, then because it's going to be pulling from different sides, then the zipper is usually get broken pretty quickly. And here, as you can see, this part is pretty loose despite the fact that the float is fully inflated. So this is why my expectation that this zipper is gonna work is gonna work for a while. So what we have on top, we have many handlers, which is good. Why I like to have handlers on top? When I reach the surface and I want to do recovery, I like to grab, let's say, the floats, something like this. And also when I'm teaching and I have students in front of me, then I also can grab the float like this. Okay, what else? Let's open it. So what we have inside? Inside we have an inner tube. It is integrated, so you don't need to look where to buy inner tube for your float, so it's already in. Here we have the valve, which you're using for inflation. By the way, it's coming with such thing which you can connect, and then you can inflate it. Okay, what else? We have here on the bottom a lot of holes, which is great because when you're gonna lift the float from the water is going to be easily escape from the float, and then it's going to be quite easy to lift this float. Also, what I like here, we have a ring here, plastic ring. This is where you can connect your rope, which is great. And this part here we have for the flag, right? So you can put the flag. There is a hole here, so the flag can be seen from the distance. Okay, let's close it. So what we have on the bottom, we have a ring to connect the bottom weight, to connect the rope actually, and we have a second set of handlers, which is great because if you do your relaxation breathing, especially with the face down, this is a much convenient to use. So as you can see, there is a one here and one here. Okay, what else do we have? Again, here where we have a ring. So I believe these straps, it make this part stronger, so there is going to be no chance that this part is going to be broken. And so as I told you before, there are a lot of holes, so when you lift the float from the water, it's going to be really easy, water easily escape. So here we have 4 rings. It is a plastic rings. Where you can connect the rope if you have a couple of floats, or if you need to connect your float to the boat. So I don't really understand why we need to have 4, but anyway, there is no problem with this. The more the better. Okay, looks everything good. Okay guys, this was my review about our new freediving float from company To Be Free. Obviously this is going to be one of our main float because it looks like the quality is really nice. I forget to tell you that I was already using this float for a few days in the ocean. It looks really nice, really convenient, everything is really great. Again, there is one small disadvantage, that it is leaking a little bit, okay? So what do I mean a little bit? Like, I have 2 floats, and if I fully inflate them today, then I would say in 5 to 7 days, they need to be inflated a little bit more again, right? So let's say each 5 to 7 days, you just need to do like a little air inflation with this float. So if it's staying for a couple of weeks, it's get deflated pretty significantly, right? So this is why it's up to you to decide is this is bothering you or not, because apart of that, so far it looks like one of the best freediving floats which I ever touched, which I ever worked with. So in my opinion, it's really worth it. So you're gonna find again the link to this website in the description. You can buy directly from them, or maybe they have it on Amazon. I'm not sure about this, but you definitely can buy from them. Okay guys, hopefully this video was useful for you, and if it was useful for you, don't forget as always click this like button, and I will see you next time.